For sketching, I'm going to use either Faber-Castell for a fine liner or Micron for a fine liner. This is 005 in black. It's archival ink and it's waterproof and fade proof and does fine lines for inking. So today I'm going to use the Micron. And I've done this watercolor, I've let it dry overnight, and now I want to add some ink to my picture to give it just a little more added touch. So I'm going to turn the paper so that it's more comfortable for me and just start sketching. And I'm starting in the areas that were shaded. And just kind of outlining, following the little outlines that I already had on there. I don't always take the line all the way to the end, and I like that style. It's just a little more whimsical and not exact. And we're going to do the bed pillow here. It's okay if it's not exactly on your line, it's fine. I'll give some of these flowers, these rosebuds, let's give these rosebuds a little ink. Kind of define the rose a little better. I love roses. There's rosebuds and some daisies. Some of the greenery to outline the leaves on the rosebuds. Do the daisy petals here. There. Here's another daisy. Almost didn't see it at first. But you can always come back. And now let's do the wood floorboard, and that also comes on this side, and it's wood, so I'm going to give it some little lines on the inside, and I'm going to also add some lines for a wood floor very gently down here. Make it a little wider as we get closer. As you get closer to the edge, you can make your. I always think it's scary when I go in for the hair and the face. You know, you don't want to make a mistake and ruin the watercolor you've already done. So I try to come in as best I can with a confident hand. A little more on the cat. And here's his tail. We'll give some squiggly lines to the tail. Really gently doing that mouth. And for both of them, I'm not gonna ink the eyes. I want them to stay a soft brown. So I'll do a couple more wrinkles here of the comforter, and there we have it. We have inked our watercolor.